हाय एवरीवन, दिस इज़ युक्ति बेलवाल और इस वक्त मैं हूँ कीव कैपिटल में और कीव कैपिटल की जो बेस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी कीव नेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी उसके सामने ये है तरस शिवचेंको यूनिवर्सिटी जो कि नंबर 1 यूनिवर्सिटी है यूक्रेन की एज़ पर द इंडिपेंडेंट सर्वे डन बाय द वेरियस एजेंसी ऑफ यूक्रेन। मेरे साथ शशांक हैं जो कि इस यूनिवर्सिटी के फर्स्ट जो MBBS बैच है, फर्स्ट मेडिकल बैच फ्रॉम इंडिया उसमें स्टूडेंट हैं। सो it's better to know from the student only that how they are feeling about the studies, how they're feeling about the university and much more details so that you can get a help of deciding the university. So Shashank, first of all, thank you so much for giving up time. He was into class but he got a break, so he decided to help us. So Shashank, you are here in this university. There are many students who are looking for a medical university which is good abroad. So because you are here, you're already a student, you can be a better judge of whether the facilities are good or not. So I just want you to know to help other students to decide and suggest them which university is good. So tell me about it.
Look, at the start we were quite nervous when we came to the university, but later after it got recognized by MCI and it was pretty fast, like in just span of 2 months it got recognized by MCI, and the comforts are really good, and you can see the building and infrastructure, it's like the top, and you can't get any other comforts like these in any other universities. The teaching is just top class, so their English is so fluent that you can just come easily and adapt to their language, and it's very easy. So it's more of like computer based teachings. So just once they'll teach you and it goes into your mind and you can just make out it well.
Okay, tell me something that it's about the infrastructure. I heard that there are many number of hostel buildings.
Yeah. The campus is really big and it's one of the historic institutions in this in Ukraine, and it's worldwide famous. It stands around 423 in the world. So there are no issues with the ranking, and it's one of the top colleges.
That's right. This is the top 500 university in the world.
Yeah.
Do you know anything about the qualifications of the teachers?
Yeah, like they are more like they have double, triple degrees, and PhD graduates, and some of them MScs, and R&D, research and development faculties. So like they have specialized in their courses, and now we are getting it.
Yeah. So did you try in India as well to get a medical school?
Yeah, of course. I tried in India, but I belong to general category, and it was very tough for me to get into one. But I tried my best, and I didn't want to waste a year for long term. Why? Because medical is like almost 10-year course.
I understand. Why do you want to become MBBS doctor only? Why not BDS or BHMS?
Look, like BDS, like there are more in number, and moreover, like I have my passion towards allopathy. So I just wanted to specialize in anesthetic or neuro.
Okay.
So
that's why.
Yeah.
And do you think this decision of yours is good? We're going to be good?
I'm feeling now like I'm blessed to be in this university. Literally, like the comforts they have given, the teaching, the facilities, it's like outclass, like it's top.
In your batch, do you have students from other countries also, or only Indians?
In our batch, we have from Iran, Nigeria and India.
Okay. How many students in group?
We are 13.
13 in a group.
Yeah.
So one teacher teaches 13 students.
There will be one-to-one interactions, so it will be easy for us, where the concept easily goes into your mind, and like you'll have nothing to study in the room. You can just finish up in the college, go back to room, rest, cook and enjoy the day.
Tell me your schedule, like in a day, how many hours you have to be here?
Now at the start, now today the college started at 8 and we are going to end at 2. At the rest of the days it will start at 10, end at 1 or 2. Like there is no stress. It's like it's a complete holiday day. You just come here, sit for 3 to 4 hours, concentrate and just go back to the room.
Are they lenient in marking scheme and everything?
They are lenient at where they have to be lenient.
Okay.
When it comes to marks, they check our knowledge and like what you are good at, they'll just check it, and if you are like worth it, they'll just add the marks.
Is the management or the dean supportive enough for Indians?
Yeah. Like we are like in the minor now, like we are 40 members. So like of course the priorities are towards us. In all classes, like Indians are topping in all subjects. So they have some priority and like hopes on us.
Is there something you want to add up which we are not asking and it's good about this university?
Add up, what is it? Yeah, we have a football stadium.
Yeah.
We have a pool. It's right back of the university. So I don't think any other university has it. Why? Because it's really big and there are even other courses. Like, so it's helpful for everybody.
Okay. I am really glad that you are so much, Any negative thing about this university?
Negative? I don't find it. I don't find it. Serious.
No, that's good.
And
that's
we have
good.
a metro station right
Yeah.
here, so we can just go back to hostel.
But how far is the hostel?
It's like 500 meters from here.
500 meters. Okay. So you hardly need metro or
We
something?
don't need metro. We just go
Okay.
by walk from
Okay.
inside the campus itself.
Okay. That's great because always the parents and students has this concern how far is the hostel,
Yeah,
so
yeah,
that it's easy for commuting and everything. Okay. And what about the cost of living every month?
Like I spend around 10,000. Like on an average, people it requires around 6 to 7,000. That's it. Not more than that.
Okay. This includes food?
What?
Food includes in this?
Food?
Extra.
Yeah, no. It includes in the 10,000.
10,000.
Yes.
Okay.
Even the expenditure
Uh-huh.
and roaming around, everything just costs around 10.
Okay, that's
Pretty
great.
cheap.
And also the fee structure is very nominal in
Yeah,
comparison.
it's very nominal. Like to the comforts they are giving, it's very nominal.
Hostel fees
Hostel is around $1,000 per year.
per year, which is very much
Cheaper.
comfortable. Cheaper,
Yeah.
yeah. And I saw the kind of renovations going on.
Yeah. The
This is-
renovations are going pretty fast now. In the 2 months, like when we are in India, so they're gonna renovate it. So no issues with the comforts.
I'm very happy. Thank you so much for your time, and I wish you all the best for your future.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.